Raza, welcome to the IT Rockstars show by TryCatch Classes.
Yeah, hi, hello.
I'm so glad to take your interview today, Raza. I
Yeah,
know how much you have struggled, how much you have worked hard for this to become a very good digital marketer. So, Raza, are you ready?
yeah, I am ready. Thank you for inviting me.
Most welcome. Raza, my first question to you is, what were your struggles before you joined TryCatch? Like, what problems you had in your life before you came to TryCatch?
Okay, so I was looking for a good job in like digital marketing. So I was very confused, like what is the path to take a right job. So I was looking for that. Then I joined TryCatch classes, like so I like to know like they help me like what is the right way to go for the digital marketing course. So then it really helped me.
Nice, nice, nice. So, can you please tell our audience which course you learned with TryCatch and what is your job role currently?
Okay, so I have done my digital marketing course from TryCatch, and I am currently doing internship in Real Latte Agency, which is a digital marketing agency right now.
Wonderful. And how many employees are there in your company?
Uh, Around 150 to 200.
Oh, wow. Nice. So, how was your experience with TryCatch? What
Okay.
happened after TryCatch?
Okay, the experience was really good as it was not only for that lecture type, it was like really working on practical experiences. And the faculty was also working in some agencies or companies, so it was like really a good experience, like to learn from the employees which are working in the company. So like it was very good experience to know that how the agencies and companies really work in the industry. So it was a overall good experience.
Did you work on some live projects?
Yes, we have worked on live projects, like we have created live campaigns on Google and Facebook. So like we have run ads on Google and Facebook and worked on SEO projects. So it was a good practical experience on the live projects.
Great, great. So, what package are you looking to get, let's say, after 6 months or 1 year?
After 6 months or 1 year, I think around 3.5 or 4 LPA.
Nice, nice, wonderful. Any comments about the teaching methodology of TryCatch?
Yeah, that teaching is like very good. Like it was like mainly on the practical experience, not type of only theory experience. But the faculty is coming and explaining something. It was not like that. It was like doing like practical things on like live projects and practical things, which was and like interactive sessions were there. So it was very good and interesting things.
Okay, Raza, my last question is, if somebody is confused whether they should join TryCatch or not, what would you say to them?
Okay, I think TryCatch is the like best institute for that for the beginner to find that particular course like to excel in that. So it is recommended for the beginner to learn something which is like working in currently right now in the field, which is like web development or app development, anything which they got in interest. So it is like recommended to anyone which is starting their career or want to know that which career suits best to the individual.
Wow, thank you, Raza, for all the kind words. Thank you
Yeah,
so
thank you, Samya.
and I hope you excel a lot in the future,
Thank you,
and I'm sure you'll rock.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, Raza.